I really love the way we just flow. So natural, oh baby. Just one more time. Love the way it goes when we both lose control. So out of this baby. Just one more.
Hey guys, it's me Kushi. Welcome back to my channel, and today's vlog is super exciting and interesting because I am going to visit Ikea for the very first time and I'm going to take you guys along with me. So in this vlog we are going to Bangalore, and my dad wanted to visit some exhibition in Bangalore, so me and my sister as always decided to join him. This was kind of a very spontaneous plan, but while he was busy in the exhibition we spent almost our whole day in Ikea. Disclaimer, this video is not a professional Ikea tour or something, so please don't expect much. Without any further ado, let's jump into this video.
Frustrating lately, holding tight onto a country that doesn't want me here. Darling, I feel like I've been drowning, choking on responsibilities that I don't want. And
Hey guys, so we just had a quick stop for our breakfast, and I had only 2 idlis and a little amount of dosa because I'm already feeling super heavy. So we are planning to go to Ikea and we don't have any other plans as of now. So let's see.
the fading lines in my letters to you in my diary, you whisk me away, far away from the life we know. Cool adventure guy, you just have to tell me where to go. These days, motivation's hard to find. Digging for it in my mind, I wonder what I'm looking.
Hey guys, so we are in Ikea right now and we are having some coffee and some chocolate fudge cake.
You give me the hope to see the light at the finish line, and I write letters to you in my diary, begging to escape far away, just the two of us, driving to the seaside, reading in the fading light.
These are so cute, you guys.
Me away, far away from the life we know.
Hey guys, we didn't expect it, but it is too crowded in Ikea today.
Cool adventure guy, you just have to tell me where to go. We can go to mountains, or fall asleep in the desert under the stars. Doesn't matter where, as long as it's with you. I write letters to you in my diary, begging to escape far away, just the two of
Locked my heart undercover.
This corner is so dreamy.
Hey, I'm cold as December, but my temperature's running high.
So flower
When you smile, it's too good to be true. I love this automatic. You're stealing my heart, baby, stealing my heart. You're stealing my heart, baby, stealing my heart. I don't have many troubles, but I think you just cut them in two. You're my supernova, the way you're lighting up every room.
so pretty. bananas. Yeah, this is for display only. You should not pee or pick it. Love this black and white vibe. It looks so sleek. I love this whole concept of this mirror, you guys. It looks so pretty.
I'm so chill, collected and cool. My love is automatic. You're stealing my.
Look at this vibe, you guys. This looks so good.
You're stealing my heart, baby, stealing my heart. You're stealing, stealing.
आवे सब भी चार.
Wonder if we could run it back, if we could run it, if we could run it back.
Hey guys, welcome back. So there is this huge line for food. Let me just show you.
Didn't know.
Hey guys, so we finally made it to the plates, but there is still a huge line to go.
It's hard when you keep close. Rewind with my eyes closed. Might need a breather. Get lost in the B-roll. Let out the window to learn how the world goes. We didn't know how to move on. If we could run it, if we could run it back, and do you wonder if we could run it back, if we could run it, if we could run it back.
So we finally got our food, you guys. We have some rice, we have some soup, and we also have some roti and paneer butter masala. And lastly, we have some potato wedges, which we are excited about. So let's eat.
Round they go. It's hard when you
So we had our food, and to be really honest, paneer butter masala was not that great, and I absolutely didn't like the combo of paneer sabzi and rice. Other than that, soup was nice and it just was great. Like, it has to be my favorite. So yeah, that's the update. Hey.
Disconnection, love disconnection. Only you can turn me on. Show me direction, show me direction, show me direction. Only you can show me now. Love disconnection, love disconnection, love disconnection. Only you can turn me on. Show me direction, show me direction, show me direction. Only you can show me now.
Hey guys, so we are done with our shopping. Although we didn't bought much, I'll still do a mini all through shots. Maybe I'll make it into 2 parts. So let's see what we are going to do.
Love disconnection,
So that was end of the vlog, you guys. We bought about 10 stuffs from Ikea and a planter from Royaloak. So I'll be doing a mini haul now. And I know I said that I'll do it through shorts, but I changed my mind and let's just see what we got. Starting from Royaloak, we have these very pretty planters. Let me just open it for you guys. So these are the planters and it comes with this stand, and we got each for rupees 999 in offer, which is like 1000 rupees. It is in this very pretty gold color and it looks so cute. It can be separated too, so you can keep your artificial plants or even real plants. So now moving on to the Ikea products. First we have this white container or organizer which can be attached to your wall. You can also use it easily, like without attaching it. You can store your utensils, stationery items and a lot more, or even keep artificial plants or flowers inside this and use it as a decorative piece. So each is for rupees 40. We got 3 of them. Let me just show you how it looks when you keep an artificial plant inside it. So I have this artificial plant here with me which I got from Amazon, and look at that, it looks so cool. So yeah, basically you can use these in a lot of ways. So the second product we have is this frame which says my happy place. This is so cute and minimal and makes a very good wall decoration. We are planning to keep this in our kitchen. So yeah, this is for rupees 129. The third product is this flower vase in this beautiful copper color. We got it for rupees 199 and these are available in gold and silver color too. And again you can keep your artificial flower in this and it will look so beautiful. The next product is my absolute favorite and it can become your favorite too. So it is this set of 3 miniature chairs which can be used both as a holder and a decorative piece. This can hold utensils, clothes, bags, towels and more, and this is for rupees 299. Maybe I can place it over there and it will make a good decor piece. Let's see. It's not much visible, but that's okay. Okay, so the next product is again an organizer. It is this white basket. You don't have to drill any holes to fix this because this comes with these suction cups which will hold this basket. You just have to clean the surface and push to attach. No tools are needed, and this cost for rupees 349. So the next product is this real potted plant. So the name of this plant is Calathea. Please correct me if I'm wrong. And it is best for indoor decoration purpose as it is easy to care and is low maintenance. It is also known as prayer plants and we got it for rupees 299. You can keep this in a planter and believe me, it will look so good. Let me just place it over there. The next product is yet again a decor piece. It is this glass dome with base. You can store your flowers, photos and stuff. My sister got it for her arts and craft purpose, so I'm not going to open this, but she got 2 of them and each is for rupees 599. The next product is again for my sister and it is this candle lantern, but my sister is going to use this in her own way, and again she wanted this for her arts and craft page. I'll leave our Instagram page in case you are interested. And yeah, this is again for rupees 599. The next product is this set of 3 colorful storage boxes. This can be kept in your drawers and cupboards and can be used to store books, clothes, newspapers and more. The choice is yours, and we got this set of 3 boxes for rupees 699. So you just open it like that and it has this, I don't know what to call this, but it is to support the bottom of the box. So yeah, now it is sturdy and good to go. Yes, we have one final product. So this is a trolley in black color. My sister wanted this for a very long time. This trolley is available in 3 more colors, red, pink and white, I guess. This trolley can store anything and everything and can be moved wherever you want. So I'm going to unbox this now and I'll meet you guys later. For those who don't know, my house is being renovated. It is actually done with renovation, but we still haven't bought any decoration stuff. So that was the main reason we visited Ikea. But I totally urge you guys to visit Ikea if you are building a new house. Not only to buy their stuff, but you can actually get a lot of inspiration about the interior they have. We were standing and walking for straight 6.5 hours, and we waited in queue for an hour to get our lunch. And my experience in Ikea was kind of confusing as it was my first visit and I don't know how things work there, where to look for, blah blah blah. Yeah, overall it was a good experience. Follow for more such vlogs and let me meet you in my next one. Bye bye. That looks good.